But before the Rainwater Park, so pinapa-excite lang namin kayo. So we will going to update you with the Bryant Park Lane. So behind us, yan naman yung Bryant Park Lane, no? So almost nasa finishing stage na sila.
Yes.
And this year,
mata-turn over na siya, Sir Alan.
yes.
And it's only like 14 floors with 463 units. So, pwede na din natin i-flash siguro yung sa ano natin, actual lobby para makita na nila.
Yes. We will going to share to you what's inside in Bryant Park Lane right now. So, we're happy to share it with you dito sa vlog namin to really appreciate what's in store here in Capital Town. So, what are we waiting for the Rainwater Park? Let's go! Heading to the Rainwater Park, ayan, as you can see, ginagawa na din yung sa Capital Mall and Museum. Ayan.
Diba, katabi mo lang yung mall and museum. It's just right beside your condo unit or your residential.
So, as you can see, ito, we'll show you now, we have the biking lane and jogging path here because we promote
healthy lifestyle.
Healthy lifestyle, ayan. So, madaming nagja-jogging dito sa Capital Town. So, ayan, you could enjoy this whole 35.6 hectare development na mag-jogging kayo all around dito. No, once you are a unit owner dito sa project po namin. So as you can see, it's already 10:30 a.m. in the morning. So mainit na, but here in Capital Town, we have mga trees to shade us dito, no? Hindi ganun ka super init, no?
And mahangin, fresh air.
Correct. So with this one, Megaworld promotes din yung mga greeneries, lush greeneries, diba? Para at least fresco. And yun, hindi lang puro buildings dito, but rather, Megaworld promotes talaga yung nature.
Nature, greenery,
Greenery,
and open space.
So, part of the Rainwater Park is the mini football field. So, yan. Ang ganda dito, no? Parang nasa ibang bansa ka,
Nasa
no?
ibang bansa na.
So, pwedeng tayong magsa-soccer football field tayo dito, no?
May mga seating areas din, Sir Alan.
Yes.
Diba?
And, sige, punta tayo ngayon sa mismong Rainwater Park. We're in
Catch basin natin. Yes.
So, ito yung pinaka-curious yung mga client din natin, no, na binabaha ba dyan? So, for this Rainwater Park, as you can see, ayan, this will be the catchment basin.
Yes, for the storm water. Yan. So it's really going to be a 100% flood-free township development. Same with other townships naman ni Megaworld. Lahat naman po ng township ni Megaworld, flood-free tayo. But the good thing about this catchment basin, it can hold 25,000 gallons of storm water.
Ang dami nun, ha?
Yes, so, and they will recycle that po. For watering the plants, for the toilet flush. Ayan, and nagkaroon pa tayo ng 2 to 3 meters land elevation.
Oh, that's nice. And with that, actually, morning ngayon, no? So we will also at least somehow flash during the night, no? Dito. So, kung paano, very, madaming mga tao talaga dito, no? Talagang puntahan.
Madami tayong tourist,
park na that they could enjoy yung mga dito.
Yes, and na-fulfill na ni Megaworld kasi ang objective po talaga ni Megaworld dito is really to be the newest premier business district at the same time the tourist destination in Central Luzon.